Yeah, eat a cookie monster. He a slave to this pussy, call me monster. Real wet, I said stop and lick his pasta. You get nervous when it's lucky on a roster. Somebody usher this nigga into a clinic. My flow still sick, I ain't talking the pandemic.
Hey guys, welcome back to my show. Okay. So guys, let's go just jump right into this wig. It came in a simple Amazon packaging, Amazon Prime. Of course I got Prime. Yeah, that's all that's in here. Okay, so it came in the standard packaging. It came like this, you guys. Let's get into it. Stocking cap, you guys. It's in the stocking cap. 2 headbands. This one is actually cute a little bit, and this one too. They sent a much thicker one compared to that one, so it's a little bit thicker, sis. Let me put this down. But okay, let me show y'all how the headband look. I actually like this one better. Yeah, I like this one. I got the little flowers, perfect for the summertime with a cute little outfit. Of course, like I said, this one is a much thinner, or a little bit thinner. And y'all, let's jump into this wig. See, and it comes with the actual hairnet on it. Standard stuff, you know. Y'all already know. Of course, paper in it. Oh god. And it does have, I just got 1B on it. Ain't nothing to it, you guys. And let me turn this off. Okay. Yeah, I got several headband wigs. Well, not several. I got a couple of headband wig videos. So it comes with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, as usual stuff. This is the actual wig. This is a kinky straight, you guys. I've been wanting a wig like this for the longest. This company, GoWit. Actually, I worked with this company before. GoWit, the name of the company. Yeah. No, this is 24 inches. I'm sorry, guys. This is a 24-inch wig. Feels very, very soft. Yeah. So let's just get this baby on. Y'all gotta do my edges back over too. So we're gonna get them together before we slap this wig on. So let's get these edges back together. So yeah, I'm just using my Pro Style gel. Once you try to, why are you styling it? I don't know why I use this, but I'm just trying to show you. Okay, let me show you guys how it looks like this. I got the wrong kind of scrunchie, but if you want it like this, you could. You go half up, half down type of style. Or if you don't want it in the back, just put it like that. But yeah, and then you can do the ball, the top knot bun. I'm going to take this off if it's going to show. Yeah. Oh, no, it ain't going to show. The thing about this hair, I love doing a top knot bun with this. You guys, you see how tangled it gets though? It's kind of tingle once you style it. I don't like that. And I love this texture of hair. Oh gosh. See, this is what I get frustrated, y'all. My patience. The older you get, the less damn patience you have with the smallest stuff. Okay. So, and then guys, you can put it like, is that delivery truck? Okay. Okay, y'all. So I'm feeling this hair, girl. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. See? I'm feeling it. Alright, don't play with her. Okay, I'm feeling this Headband wig. So natural. You don't look like my hair. It's like, get my hair. Okay. Let's get into the specs of this wig. It feels like a truck outside, but my door is open, y'all. But anyway, so you guys, let me tell you guys about things about this wig. Like I said, it tangles fast once I start styling it and stuff. But yeah. So you guys, like I said, this company is To.This Wig, if I'm saying it right. It's a Amazon wig. This is a Kinky, a straight headband wig, 24 inches. 24 inches glueless headband wig, black women, natural black Afro Yaki straight wig with headband attached, non-lace synthetic headband wig. Okay, so yes, you guys, like I said, I have no problems. It just tangle up too fast. Like I said, it is a synthetic wig. It's very, very soft. It does look like about 24 inches. I'm 5'2", y'all. I'm short. I'm very short. So I ain't gonna say I'm very, very short, but I'm short. So you guys, I just wanted to add it. I did another style with this wig. I just added a swoop to it, and I thought it was very, very cute. I really was feeling this style, and it's very, very easy. The only thing I did was slapped over some hair over the headband and just swooped it over. Very simple and easy. So yes, I just thought I would add that too as well if you want to switch it up. So you guys, if I sound different, I am trying to get over this cold. No, I don't have COVID, thank God. So you guys, yeah, let me know what you guys think about this wig. And you guys, all information will be down below. And thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.